So I want you to practice this for 15 minutes every day. Okay? I want you to practice this for 15 minutes every day. As an intermediate guitarist, as a beginner, you're going to see a very big difference. You're going to see a very big changes in your fingerings, in your dexterities, okay? Your improvisation. So you're going to see the difference. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. It's just a pentatonic sequence. You just have to practice as a beginner, okay? All right, welcome back to another lesson of today. My name is Mikey Guitar. If you know that the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? If you like the video, do well to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, I would like you to hit on the comment section, okay? I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. And if you want a one-on-one class with me on WhatsApp, I offer a one-on-one class, but it's not a free class, it's a payable class. I'll be glad receiving you into my class. So do well to chat me on the number there, on WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you, okay? And if you can't reach me through my WhatsApp, you can go through the description of this video. You're going to see my email. You're going to message me. You can message me through my email. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible, okay? All right, guys. So let's move straight to the video. Let me show you this so you go ahead and practice, okay? Okay, welcome back. So we'll be using the key of A minor pentatonic. This is the key of A on the fifth string. Sorry, on the fifth fret. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we're using the A minor pentatonic shape there. Okay, so practice this for 15 minutes every day. Stuff like this. Okay, it's very simple. So I started from there. That's do, mo, va, sol, do, do. That's on the A minor shape and a tonic. Okay? That's the one, the flat third, the fourth, the fifth, the flat seven, and the one again. Okay. So I get to the fifth string down. Start up from the fifth string down. The first one was. Second one is va, sol, do, do, mo. Okay, that will be mo, va. Okay, this is mi, va. Okay, that will be mo, va. Then go to the do, do, mo, va, sol, do. Okay. Okay, so the next one will be so mo, va, so, do, mo, do. Okay. Okay, so that's the minor pentatonic shape. Okay, we are trying to play. Now, this same shape, you can still, organize it. You can still use it as the C major pentatonic pattern as well, okay? You can still use it as a C major pentatonic because it's a key of C on the third string. So automatically you can still have your C major pentatonic on this shape, okay, which is the do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, do, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la. So you can still use it as your C major pentatonic, but from the root here, that gives you A minor pentatonic shape, okay? Okay. Okay. So just practice that for 15 minutes every day. Every day, you're going to see the changes in your dexterities and your fingering as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Just go ahead and practice wherever you don't understand. Let me know in the comment section. We'll give the reply as soon as possible. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.